All right, are we good to do this, guys? 3, 2, 1, pull. Lights! This is a glow stick. And you've probably seen one before, but it's such a perfect example of chemiluminescence. Inside this glow stick, there are two main components. There is a fluid on the inside of the stick that is a combination of a solvent and a chemical called bis 2,4,6 trichlorophenol oxalate, or TCPO for short. There's also a small glass vial inside the plastic glow stick tube, which is filled with hydrogen peroxide and a fluorescent dye. This glass vial is the thing that you actually crack open to activate the glow stick. When all of these chemicals mix, the TCPO uses energy from the hydrogen peroxide, which in turn energizes the fluorescent dye, allowing it to glow. Now, the thing that I love the most about this reaction is that it's powered by hydrogen peroxide. And there is another reaction that I love so much that is also fueled by hydrogen peroxide, and that is elephant toothpaste. So after learning how this reaction works, I was really curious, could we combine chemiluminescence and elephant toothpaste to make glowing elephant toothpaste? So I bought a bunch of glow sticks on Amazon, harvested them for their glow juice, and added 150 milliliters of hydrogen peroxide, some soap, and 60 milliliters of glow. And we have to use baker's yeast as a catalyst to not mask the glow. Oh my god, it works. Gosh. Oh my gosh, yes, yes. Now we're in business. Next, I wanted to scale this up to the size of a 5-gallon bucket. So we used 2 gallons of 35% hydrogen peroxide and 250 glow sticks. So I invited over my friend Merrick Hanna, and we were able to make this. Oh my gosh, whoa! Now, right around the time that we were making this video, I went on the Good Boys podcast with Todd and Brett, and I learned that Brett always wanted to be a part of one of our giant elephant toothpaste experiments.
I really want to go to the next one you guys do, and that was the elephant
sick.
toothpaste. All throughout COVID, I was like, please let me know. And the next time that Nick comes, like, I have to be there.
Knowing this, I wanted to surprise Brett, so we started planning for a much, much larger reaction. I also didn't want to cut open a bunch of glow sticks, so I got in touch with a manufacturer who makes glow sticks, and they actually sold me large quantities of the glow juice. I bought 50 liters or 50,000 glow sticks worth. And because this whole experiment is glow in the dark, I thought it'd be very fitting to turn my backyard into what looks like a Burning Man installation. So for this to work out, we will need 50 gallons of 50% hydrogen peroxide, 100 gallons of yeast solution, and 13 gallons of glow juice. But the real challenge will be getting all of the yeast solution poured in all at once. So for this, I've called up a few of my friends. So here's what we're gonna do. We're going to attempt to basically turn my backyard into the world's largest glow stick. This is gonna be very interesting. We do not know exactly what to expect, so let's get to science in, right? The first thing we're gonna do is we're going to mix a bunch of yeast. And then we're going to shuttle that into the 3 big drums out there. We're going to suit up into our safety gear. Jeez. And then all 9 people are actually going to be pulling on individual ropes. And that will actually allow all of the chemicals to mix together. With the bucket.
The fact that it's like, whoa! Wait, why is it so deep?
Okay, we are in business, everyone. Everyone get to your battle station. In 3, 2, 1.
crazy, bro.
I'm fairly certain, I can't say this, I'm sure there's no challengers, almost positive that this is the world's largest glow-in-the-dark elephant toothpaste experiment ever, because it's also the first.
Hell yeah. Thank you.
Word.